One of the common things that we're seeing crop up now is a lot of online will service providers. A lot of times people feel that these are going to be cheaper than going to see an attorney. I found that oftentimes this is not the case, and not only that, but you don't have a qualified professional sitting there telling you a recommendation and helping you implement that recommendation. When you're doing something online, it is done on your own without a professional who often will have many years of experience telling you and advising you what makes the most sense and helping you get from point A to point B. A lot of times people do these online services and have uncompleted documents because they started them and we're not sure where to go to finish them once they got into the meat of the document. So I would encourage you to sit down with a qualified legal professional to implement your estate plan. If somebody is coming in to sit down with me to prepare a will or a trust, or just generally talk about their estate plan, some of the information that you want to consider bringing in is names, addresses of those people that you want to help administer your estate when you pass away, who you want to get what when you pass away, our beneficiaries. Maybe lists of assets that you may have, including accounts, deeds, and things of that nature. A lot of times we can start the process without necessarily having every little bit of information in place because we will go through a process to make sure the final product meets with your wishes in total. So many times the process can be started with basic information without worrying about having every little last piece of information in place before you get to that point. How long does the process take for a will or a trust? With a trust, we can definitely get things passed along to our heirs much more quickly than with a will. When we have a will, a lot of times we're looking at a process that can take anywhere on average of about 18 months because of the court process involved. When we utilize a trust, it's pretty much self-administrating. So by making sure we have a proper document in place and making sure everything is titled properly, we can oftentimes avoid the cumbersome process that's involved when someone passes away. I hope this question and answer video will give you a better understanding of what's involved with making a will or setting up a trust. There will be more informational videos to come about aspects of estate planning and other services we offer. If you have questions regarding our services, or if you want to set up an appointment to discuss your estate planning needs, please call us at 440-973-4145 or toll free at 855-560-6062. Take a moment and visit our site at mtkarllaw.com. That's mtkarllaw.com, and fill out our contact form. I will respond to you promptly. At my office, we make the estate planning process simple. I'm Margaret Karl. Thanks for watching.